So I'm going to do a real quick demonstration of, I think, the hardest part on this soccer robot. The soccer robot with the Jody kit. The hardest part are the gears. So in this picture you can see that we're going to go from our motor to a small gear and then to one of the larger ones. Let me just show this. So we've got kind of the main body formed, and then again the hardest part of this build is this section, and especially getting this axle in. Just being totally honest, what I do, I'll deconstruct this or reverse engineer it, and I'll take these off. All right, so getting that in there is the hard part, because if you try to do it here and then put the lock in place, it just is really difficult. So again, to be honest, I just take this apart. So I start to build here. I know from my picture, we can go down to this area. Oh, losing all my parts. We're going to be in the first middle hole of the orange, and then we're going to be up here. We're going to go one middle, and then we're going to go up. So when I look at my orange pieces, I know one axle is going to be here, and then this tough one is going to be way up here. So it's going to be on the top. So get my lock or a spacer. I'll put that in. The other part isn't a problem. You can put that in when it's connected. But that part right there is the hardest part. All right, it'll slide around a little bit. That's all right. And here, connect your motor. Small gear. Large gear. And small gear should turn large gear. All right, we'll pull this out, make sure it's spinning freely still. Tighten everything. Then you're going to build the same exact piece. And we want to look and just get this lined up. So it's going to have to be there. If that doesn't line up, just keep playing with it until it does. And that should get us at least to this portion.